how to turn on or turn off Moji's Kitchen suggest stickers for Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Keyboard. After click on Keyboard, click on Gboard. And after click on Gboard, click on scroll down and click on Emojis, Stickers and GIFs. After click on Emojis, Stickers and GIFs, scroll down, you will see Emoji Kitchen is here. If you want to turn off Emoji Kitchen, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Emoji Kitchen is turn off. If you want to turn on Emoji's Kitchen, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Emoji Kitchen is turn on. You will turn on or turn off Emoji Kitchen from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Emoji Kitchen suggest stickers for Gboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.